Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm going to give you a quick little video on your assignment today, which is Wednesday, September 23rd. So we're in our physical science course. We're going to head down to week 4. Click on that. Going to head down to the Wednesday folder. Click there, and then make sure you take your daily attendance. And then today we're going to work on Duxter's laws of motion. So you're going to click this link here. For you guys, it's going to come up just like this. You're going to start a new attempt. So you click there. And then make sure you read through all these directions. All right, so here's a link for the site you're going to go to. And then you're going to read, study the text. When you're ready for the quiz, which is part of that website, you're going to click the link that says quiz. I'll take you there in just a second. You need to get 8 out of 10 or 80%. And you can take it over and over again if you need to. When you get that at least 8 out of 10, take a screenshot of your quiz. And here's some directions on using a Chromebook on how to take a screenshot. If you have a PC, a lot of times there's a snippet tool, which is really handy. There's also a print screen button, which you can click on your keyboard. But get a copy of that screen, of that picture, and then down here, right here, there's image media. So if you actually save the picture to your desktop or to your drive somewhere, you can put that picture there. All right. Here, bottom line, when you when you paste your picture in here, make sure that you can actually see the picture. There's a lot of times when people have turned things in with the picture like this, and I can't see it. So if I can't see it, I can't give you credit for it. So make sure you can actually see that picture when you submit it. So to do your assignment, you go to duxters.com, click here, and here are laws of motion. So just doing some reading, clicking some different links, learning about the first law, second law, third law of motion. Some fun facts. Right down here is the 10-question quiz. So you click on that quiz and you answer it. At the very bottom, you should see your score. After you click done, you'll see your score. And that is what you need to take a copy of. Then back in Schoology right here, either paste the picture so it is visible, or save that picture to your computer and go to image media. When you go to image media, you're going to attach the file. All right. So that is how you do it. Make sure you then review your answers and then click submit. I have not yet put an answer in, so I can't click submit, but once you put your answer in, you'll be able to click submit. Once you submit that, that is it for today. The other thing to remember is that many of you still have some missing assignments. If you have questions on anything, please send me an email today. I know we're not meeting face-to-face today, but I want you to let me know if you've got questions and I will help you through it. All right? Have a great day. We will see you later this week.